English listening test at A1 level. To assess your English listening skills, you will need to answer 5 questions after listening to every piece of audio that is around a minute long. You are encouraged to have a pen and paper ready to take notes while you are listening. Additionally, you are highly recommended to share your score in the comment section. This will allow you to compare your performance with other learners at a similar skill level. Let's begin. Test 1. A country boy in Paris. Be ready to answer these questions.
Daniel is from a small town in the countryside. He has never been to a big city before. One day, Daniel decides he wants to travel. He chooses to go to Paris, the capital of France. Daniel packs his suitcase and buys a plane ticket. He is excited but also a little nervous. When he arrives in Paris, he is amazed by all the tall buildings and busy streets. There are people from all over the world walking around. Daniel wants to see the famous Eiffel Tower first. He takes the metro to get there. The Eiffel Tower is even bigger than he imagined. He takes lots of pictures to show his family back home. Next, Daniel visits the Louvre Museum. He sees the Mona Lisa painting and other famous artworks. He is impressed by all the history and culture in Paris. In the evenings, Daniel enjoys trying different French foods like croissants, crepes, and cheese. He also listens to street musicians playing music. After a week, it is time for Daniel to go back home. He is sad to leave, but he knows he will always remember his amazing trip to Paris.
Test 2. The Ballet Beginner. Be ready to answer these questions.
Isabella is 8 years old, and she loves to dance. She has always wanted to learn ballet, a beautiful and graceful dance form. Finally, Isabella's parents sign her up for a ballet class. On the first day, Isabella is a little nervous. She puts on her pink ballet slippers and her black leotard. When she arrives at the dance studio, she sees all the other girls stretching and warming up. The ballet teacher, Miss Lily, greets Isabella warmly. Miss Lily shows the class how to do the basic ballet positions. Isabella tries her best to stand with her feet in the right position and hold her arms up gracefully. It's harder than she thought, but Isabella doesn't give up. Over the next few weeks, Isabella learns more ballet moves like plies, tendas, and arabesques. She gets better and better at remembering the steps. Sometimes she gets a little frustrated when she can't do a move perfectly, but Miss Lily is very encouraging. By the end of the session, Isabella performs in a ballet recital for her family. She feels so proud as she dances across the stage. Isabella knows that she has found a new passion in ballet, and she can't wait for her next class.
Test 3. David's Train Adventure. Be ready to answer these questions.
David is very excited. Today, he is taking a train to Germany. He has never been to Germany before, and he has been looking forward to this trip for a long time. David wakes up early and double-checks that he has everything in his backpack. He makes sure he has his passport, some snacks, and a map of Germany. Then he leaves his house and walks to the train station. When David arrives at the train station, he finds the platform for his train. The train is very long and shiny. David boards the train and finds his seat. He sits down and looks out the window as the train starts to move. As the train travels through the countryside, David sees lots of green fields, cows, and little houses. He is amazed by how different everything looks compared to his hometown. After a few hours, the train arrives in Germany. David gets off the train and looks around. Everything is new and exciting. He can't wait to explore the city and try some German food. David knows this is going to be an amazing trip.
You had finished the tests. Let's share your score in the comment section. Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, we would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.